Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe is some hot pepper cow leg or cow feet stew. You are going to really love this. And so let's get started. I have my cow leg or cow feet meat ready, well washed and clean. So we are going to cook this for it to be very tender. And so I already have it on fire. Make sure that you have enough water on it and cook it to the softness or the tenderness that you want. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is going to work on my tomatoes and my onions. I'm going to blend 2 onions and then slice 2 of the onions, and I'm going to chop the tomatoes, take out the seeds, and then we are going to blend that one separately. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video. So we are going to check on our cow meat or cow feet meat. It's very hard, and so I'll add more water and then cover and allow it to cook. So I'm going to add more water to it. Yes, please share this video. Okay, show me love by liking, commenting, and if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. And so we are adding a lot of water, a bit more, then we'll cover and then allow it to cook very well. Okay, so at this point I'm going to also work on the other ingredients, that is my pepper, my ginger, my onion. So my cow feet meat is ready. Yes, it's now ready and very soft. So I'll take it off fire and work on the ginger, the pepper, the onions, the garlic, and the tomato seeds. I'm going to blend all of them. As I said, it's hot pepper, so the pepper is enough. Okay, I'm going to add mixture of natural mixed spices to it. Yes, I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons to it, and we are going to blend it all smoothly. So I already have my oil on fire. I'm using coconut oil. You can use any oil of your choice, and then I just poured in my blended ingredients, adding a little bit of water to it. Stir it together. We'll cover and allow it to cook very well. So we are checking on it again, and at this point I'm going to add my sliced tomatoes to it. Yes, I didn't use tomato paste for this recipe because I hardly use tomato paste, and mostly because of keto. So this is my sliced tomato. So if you want to add tomato paste, you can go ahead and add your tomato paste to it. I hardly cook with tomato paste because I'm on a keto diet, so I usually don't use tomato paste, but you can go ahead and then add your tomato paste. So I just added a bit of water to loosen up and to allow it to cook very well. And so I'm going to cover this and then give it time to cook. Okay, and also we are going to check on it again. Is getting ready. Yes, so we'll stir it up, add a little bit of water. It's too thick in there, so add a little bit of water, okay, to loosen up. And I'm going to add my all-purpose seasoning to it, and I'll also add salt to it. And so my all-purpose seasoning, I'm going to add salt also to it. No, the cow meat, we didn't cook it with salt. So I'm adding salt to it. Stir everything together, and at this point I'm going to add the cow feet or cow leg meat to it, so that it can absorb the sauce very well. So I'll add everything to it. Please subscribe to this channel if you have not yet subscribed. Consider sharing this video. We are going to add a bit more of the salt because when I tasted, I didn't feel the salt very well, so just a little bit more. Okay, so just adjust the quantity to your preference or your taste. And because of the cow meat, you can see a lot of oil because of the cow feet also contains enough oil, even though I did not add the water or the sauce to it, but you can see a lot of oil, meaning if you are doing it, reduce the amount of oil you use to cook so that you don't end up having a lot of oil in your sauce, unless you are okay with it. Okay, and so stirring everything together, the sauce is almost ready, and I'm going to add my onions, carrots, and also bell pepper, mixture of bell pepper to it. Stir everything together, and then I will just cover and allow it to simmer for 3 to 5 minutes, and that will be okay. That will be okay. So just cover and give it time. As I said, you can add tomato paste if you want to add tomato paste, but for me, I am okay without tomato paste. Okay, and so we are going to check on it, and our cow leg stew or sauce is ready. Our hot pepper cow leg stew is ready. You can serve it with your rice, you can serve it with your yam, your plantain, or anything you want to add sauce to it, you can serve with it. And so it is ready. Please share this video for me, like this video, comment, leave a comment. Looking all sumptuous. As I said, you can reduce the amount of oil because of the cow feet. It contains a lot of oil. So this is it. We are done, and we are going to enjoy this. You will enjoy by watching, and I will enjoy with my mouth and my tongue and my teeth. And so this is it. Thanks so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video, and watch out for another sumptuous recipe. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.